Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on crack concepts, and in today's video we will be solving another Python lead code. And in this video you will learn three new concepts. One is we will understand how to sort a data frame. Number two, how we can filter data, that we will learn. Third is what is method chaining in Python. So we will learn these three concepts in this single video, so make sure to watch it till the end. So let's understand this question. This is question number 2891, method chaining. This is our data frame animals. Write a solution to list the animals, list the names of animals that weigh strictly more than 100 kilograms, which means we need to filter data. Second, return the animals sorted by weight in descending order. So we need to sort our data frame as well. So we will learn these two concepts. The result format is in the following example. Let's see the example. This is our input data frame animals, which has 4 columns: name, species, age, weight, and our output is this: Tatiana, Jonathan, Tommy, Alex. Why? Because these 4 have weight greater than 100, because we need to filter our data frame. So as you can see, Tatiana 464, Khalid is 41, so it will not come in our output because it is less than 100. Alex is 328, greater than 100, so it is in our output. Jonathan 463, it will come in our output. Stephen 50, which is less than 100, so it will not come in our output. Tommy 349, greater than 100, so it will come in our output, but the order is different because we need to order it in descending order. Let's see how we can write it, how we can write a function that will return this. So first we will import pandas library. So import pandas as pd, and then this is our function def. This is the function name, find heavy animals, and this is the parameter animals colon pd.dataframe, which means animals is a data frame which will be passed to us in our function. So we will have animals data frame, and this function, so we have an arrow over here, this function will return a data frame, so pd.dataframe. So this function will have a data frame as a parameter, and this will also return a data frame. Then we have colon, and then we will write the function definition. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to filter our data frame. We need to filter it by weight is greater than 100. So let's do that. First, I will be writing a very simple function, and then I will combine it all to show you all what is method chaining in Python. So first, let's just write a simple function. I will use another name for our data frame. Let's give a new name, filtered animals. This is our data frame name. In Python, we do not need to initialize or define a variable. We can simply just write any variable name and then just equal to, and that's all you need to do in Python. So filtered underscore animals, and our data frame is animals. So animals, this is our data frame animals. Now we need to filter it. So square brackets, and inside that I will write animals. Which column do we need to use from the data frame animals to filter our data? That is weight. So animals weight greater than 100. This is returning all those animals that have weight greater than 100, and it is being stored in the data frame filtered underscore animals. So this is our new data frame. So filtered underscore animals is equal to animals, our original data frame, and in square brackets we will write this condition. This whole thing is a Boolean indexing operation, which means for each row it will check this condition and then it will return either true or false. So Tatiana 464 greater than 100, so it will return true, and so that will be in our data frame filtered underscore animals. Similarly, Khalid false, Alex true, Jonathan true, Stephen false, Tommy true, and all these true values will be in our filtered animals data frame. So this is our first part. So step 1 is done. We have filtered our data frame. Now step 2. Step 2 is sorting our data frame. Which data frame? Animals data frame? No. Our new data frame which has filtered data. Now we need to sort this data frame. Now we need to sort filter underscore animals data frame. So we will use another data frame. Sorted underscore animals is equal to, what is our data frame name? Filtered underscore animals. And we will be using an inbuilt method which is sort underscore values bracket, and I will be adding two parameters. One is by. So we need to sort this data frame by which column? Weight. So by weight, and this will be in inverted commas, comma. Our second parameter would be ascending. Do we need the data to be in ascending or descending order? We need it in descending order. So ascending is equal to false. So now what we are going to do is we will be returning this data frame. But when we return this data frame, all the columns will come, but we only need the column name, as you can see in the output table. So what we will do, we will write another data frame. We will create a new data frame. Names is equal to, and this time we will use the last data frame that we created, which is sorted underscore animals, and then we will just add names over here, and we will return names. Let's run this. I'm sorry, this needs to be in inverted commas. The spelling is wrong. I am sorry. And the F needs to be capital. And it has been accepted. So this is a very simple function. This is our function which has a data frame as a parameter which will return a data frame. So we are returning a data frame which is names. We created a new data frame. This part is filtering the data. This part is sorting the last created data frame. So we took filter underscore animals dot sort underscore values. Sort underscore values is an inbuilt function, just two parameters, by which column, weight, ascending, it can either be true or false. Make sure the first letter is capital, and then we return the data frame. In this step, we are just selecting one column, which is name. Now I will explain what is method chaining. As you can read over here in Pandas, method chaining enables us to perform operations on a data frame without breaking up each operation into a separate line or creating multiple temporary variables. In this case, I created multiple temporary variables: filtered animals, sorted animals, names. If we use method chaining, we can combine all these steps into a single step, which means we will be using just one single line of code. Let's try to do that. So I'm going to keep this as is and show you all how I can write the entire code in a single line. So first I will be using the first line. Animals, weight. So this part will filter the data frame. Then I will add a full stop. And then the second part is this, because filtered underscore animals is what? This part. So I have written that dot this. And this whole thing is sorted animals. So we just need to add this part. And here it is. We combined the three lines into a single line. Earlier we were returning names. So what is names? Sorted animals, this. So I will replace it to this. What is sorted animals? sorted animals is this. So I will replace it. Now what is filtered animals? Filtered animals is animals weight greater than 100. So I will copy that. And as you can see, these two are the same. So you can do method chaining like this. Method chaining is useful for creating concise code, but it's crucial to understand each step in the chain for debugging or further development. I will delete rest of the code and I will run this. It has been accepted. Now I will submit it. It has been accepted. I hope this video was helpful, and with that I would end this video. Make sure to check out our playlist. If you're new to Python Pandas, check out our playlist. That would be helpful to you. We have a lot of playlists for SQL as well. Check it out. Check out our ebook. And with that I will end the video. Thank you so much for watching.